Today, we're diving deep into the world of vagaro memberships. This isn't just about adding another service. It's about fundamentally shifting how you do business. We're going to break down exactly how to set up, market, and successfully sell memberships on Vagaro, turning those unpredictable peaks and valleys into a steady, uphill climb for your profits. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to implementing a membership strategy that not only benefits your bottom line, but also creates a stronger, more engaged community around your brand. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to recurring revenue and client loyalty? Let's jump in. The first step, before we even touch Vagaro, is to design your membership. This is where most people go wrong. Don't just throw together a random discount. Think about what your clients truly value. What services do they frequently use? What would make their experience with you even better? Consider different tiers. A basic tier might offer a small discount on all services or a set number of specific services per month. A mid-tier could include more services, priority booking, or even exclusive access to certain classes or treatments. And a premium tier? That's where you offer the ultimate VIP experience. Unlimited services, a dedicated concierge, or even members-only events. The key is to create perceived value that far outweighs the monthly cost. For a salon, this could be the Blowout Queen membership offering 4 blowouts a month for a flat fee. For a yoga studio, it might be the Zen Master with unlimited classes and workshop discounts. Get creative. Once you have your membership concepts ironed out, it's time to bring them to life in Vagaro. Log in to your Vagaro account and navigate to Settings, then Memberships. Here you'll click Add New Membership. Vagaro will guide you through a series of intuitive steps. First, give your membership a compelling name. Something that speaks to the benefit, not just the features. Instead of Basic Discount Membership, try the Glow Up Club or the Serenity Pass. Next, you'll set the price. This is crucial. Factor in your costs, the perceived value, and what your competitors are charging. Remember, a membership should offer a better deal than paying for individual services, but not so much that you're losing money. You'll also define the billing cycle: weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Monthly is generally the most popular for ongoing services. Now, for the exciting part, adding services and products. Vagaro allows you to specify exactly what's included in each membership. You can offer a certain number of services per month, unlimited access to specific services, or even a percentage discount on all services and products. This is where your pre-planning comes in handy. If the Blowout Queen offers 4 blowouts, you'll select Blowout and set the quantity to 4. If the Zen Master offers unlimited yoga, you'll select all your yoga classes and set them to unlimited. You can also include product discounts, which is a great way to boost retail sales. Don't forget about the fine print. Vagaro allows you to set up terms and conditions, such as cancellation policies, rollover rules for unused services, and any restrictions. Be clear and transparent. This protects both you and your clients. You can also set an expiration date for the membership if it's a limited time offer, or keep it ongoing. Once your memberships are set up in Vagaro, it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Don't just list them on your service menu and hope for the best. You need a robust marketing strategy. Start with your existing client base. These are people who already know and trust you. Use Vagaro's email marketing features to send out a personalized announcement about your new membership options. Highlight the benefits, not just the features. Instead of get 10% off services, say, unlock exclusive savings and priority booking with our new VIP membership. Train your staff. Every team member should be an ambassador for your memberships. They need to understand the value proposition of each tier and be able to confidently explain them to clients during their appointments. Role-playing sales scenarios can be incredibly effective. Encourage them to identify clients who would genuinely benefit from a membership based on their service history. Leverage social media. Create engaging posts and stories showcasing the perks of being a member. Use high-quality visuals and testimonials from early adopters. Run limited-time promotions to create urgency. Sign up for the Wellness Warrior membership this month and get a free massage. Display clear signage in your physical location. Brochures at the front desk, posters in your waiting area, and even a dedicated display highlighting the benefits of membership make it impossible for clients to miss. And here's a pro tip: offer an exclusive sign-up bonus for a limited time. This could be an extra service, a premium product, or a deeper discount for the first month. This creates a sense of urgency and rewards early adopters. Now, for the art of selling. It's not about being pushy. It's about solving a problem and offering value. During consultations or checkout, engage your clients in a conversation. Ask them about their needs and how often they use your services. If a client is consistently booking multiple services or visiting frequently, gently introduce the idea of a membership. I've noticed you love our service. Have you considered our membership name? Many of our clients who frequent us find it saves them money and gives them benefit. Focus on the benefits to them. Will it save them money in the long run? Will it give them more flexibility? Will it make them feel more valued? Emphasize the convenience and the long-term savings. Instead of paying for each session individually, you could get unlimited access and save X amount per month. Overcome objections by being prepared. If someone says it's too expensive, break down the cost per service within the membership and compare it to individual prices. If they say they don't visit often enough, highlight the benefits of consistency and how the membership encourages a healthier routine. Vagaro also makes the enrollment process seamless. Clients can sign up directly through your Vagaro booking page, or your staff can enroll them at the front desk. The automatic recurring billing feature is a game changer, eliminating the need for manual invoicing and ensuring consistent payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.